Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. As more people are hitting the road, Ohio rest areas are seeing more visitors.
Well, these facilities, especially those just inside the state borders, are a great way to welcome visitors to Ohio. Recently, our facilities crews in Scioto County received kudos from the Portsmouth-Scioto County Convention and Visitors Bureau for the condition of the rest area on US 23.
The Zephyr on the front of the building was conceived, constructed, and designed by District 9 facility crews.
Yeah, Portsmouth is a great city. Lots of great food there too, so well worth that trip. Crews from several ODOT districts and central office truly displayed the One ODOT mantra when they headed to Northwest Ohio to help with an important project.
When floodwaters washed away a causeway in the Portage River as part of the bridge replacement project, crews were forced to rebuild and collect the culvert pipes that had washed downstream.
But there was a catch. Mussels in the river needed to be found and relocated before that work could begin. And that's normally a process that can take weeks to complete.
But with the help of environmental crews from ODOT Districts 1, 3, 10, and Central Office, they were able to get the job done in just 2 days, saving taxpayers more than $20,000. A total of 82 mussels were relocated during this effort. Great job.
You've heard it a million times from us. Making our transportation system and the people that use it as safe as possible is our top priority. Sometimes this includes large construction projects, but actually most of the time it's smaller improvements that make the biggest impact. For example, riding down US 33 through Meigs County, a 2-lane highway, it's a beautiful drive. However, like a lot of rural roads, it's windy and hilly, and if you take your eyes off the road for just a split second, it could be fatal. Flashback to just a few years ago, and from 2016 to 2018, there were 7 left-of-center crashes with, unfortunately, 3 fatalities. My main man, Eric Davis, our Southeastern Ohio safety guru, well, he teamed up with the Ohio State Highway Patrol to install centerline rumble stripes. Installed in 2018, these stripes provide an audible and vibratory warning to drivers who drift left of center, including those who are distracted and drowsy. Since then, there has only been 1 left-of-center crash resulting in property damage only. And that's what our safety engineers do. They save lives using specific safety countermeasures at targeted locations. Who knew?
Thanks a lot, Dave. Well, when a crash on I-75 near Cincinnati damaged an overhead sign truss, ODOT crews had to work quickly to get it removed. The reason? Well, I-75 is obviously a major route, and closing it for any period of time results in long backups.
To add to the pressure, a thunderstorm packing winds of over 35 miles per hour was on the way. Check out this picture. You can see the rain already falling in the distance. Our amazing crews got the job done and safely reopened the highway.
Well, before we wrap things up, check out this picture from Mahoning County. It shows ODOT joining the Ohio Turnpike, the Ohio State Highway Patrol, and other first responders to remind everyone that we're all in this together. Thank you for all that you do to keep our roads and all of us safe. Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now, you're in the loop.